Last time on Survivor, Jasmine Island.
He's gonna get out.
Yes.
I think we're gonna do.
Because at this point,
not very good at the challenges.
at this point, we're all the alliance.
Each of you have 3 boxes, right? Each one of those boxes has a symbol on both sides. Go ahead and look at them. You're going to try to remember the 4 symbols I'm going to tell you, okay? Everybody get it? The correct answer was the birthday cake. Kayla, you have 1 individual immunity. Who are you playing this for? All right. Thomas is playing this for himself. This is a big immunity idol. Last vote. And the next person voted out. Next member of our jury. Dee Dee. Sorry, please bring me your sword. Sorry, Dee Dee, but your tribe is spoken. 11 kids. 8 challenges. 1 birthday party. Who will win the grand prize and become our sole survivor? This is Survivor, Jasmine Island.
It all comes down to who wins the immunity next.
Oh, sorry, Thomas.
Yes, we did.
I kind of tried to play it. That was our whole plan.
Yeah, so that Thomas wouldn't get.
At this point, we told
Because
like,
we knew
yeah.
he told
Yeah,
the
we got-
whole group that he had that thing.
I think it's coming. You'll figure it out. Yes, we meant to let it out. Exactly. To make it seem like some of us were on Diddy's side. Yes.
Yeah.
She's gonna be in the jury,
Yeah.
and we want her to like us.
We're smart.
It's kind of smart.
We used our brains.
Just so that Didi still like wants to vote for us to win, which is because she's in the jury.
Kayla, I hate to do it. Individual immunity, back up for grabs. The winner of this will win individual immunity and will not be voted out in the next tribal council. Okay, so this game, this ball is resting on a little groove. See that little groove?
Yeah.
Make sure you put your ball back in there. What you guys are going to do when I say go is you're going to pick up those boards and you're going to hold them above your head for as long as you can without dropping the ball. If you drop the ball lifting it up, you're out. If you drop the ball while it's above your head, you're out. Last one to drop the ball wins individual immunity. You guys ready?
Yeah.
On your marks, get set, go. Jasmine's out, Kenzie's out, Thomas is out. Gabby and Kayla, Gabby's out. Kayla, you win individual immunity for the 2nd time in a row. Congratulations. Kayla cannot be voted out at the next tribal council. Head back to camp.
And I just like.
I know.
my
Blame
hands
it on
were
your
like-
table.
My hands, I was scared when I was trying to lift it above my head. I was like.
Well, I blame it on the table. Well, it gotta be uneven start.
All right. Does anybody feel like they're definitely getting voted out this time? Jasmine, you think it's you? Does any feel like, oh, Thomas feels like it might be you too? Does anybody feel like you're good? You're not going to be voted out? Other than getting a little bit of community idol. No? It's up in the air? All right, let's get the voting. Thomas, you're up. All right, if anyone has a hidden immunity idol, want to play it, now would be the time to do so. All right, I'll read the votes. First vote, Thomas. Second vote, Jasmine. Third vote, Thomas. That's 2 votes Thomas, 1 vote Jasmine. Thomas. 3 votes Thomas, 1 vote Jasmine. And the next one voted out of the game, the next member of our jury, Thomas. Sorry, bring me your sword. Sorry, Thomas. Tribe has spoken. All right, guys. Head back to camp for your last challenge. Next time on the season finale of Survivor, Jasmine Island.
No, if you lose this and you get voted out, you're not. It all depends who wins immunity.
Yeah, I know.
You guys are on a team. You guys are on a team. You good? Here's what's about to happen. The 2 people that win will be immune from tonight's vote.
Yeah.
And the 2 people that lose will be up for elimination. Their pieces.